It literally looks like it's coming from the scalp. Tell me it's not.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, I and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Day McClay, coming back with another video produced, created, and edited by your girl. So before we get into the video, I want to remind you all to make sure you are like, commenting, and subscribing. This is a small YouTube channel. I am a small YouTuber, and any and everything helps. So let's go ahead and get into the video. You guys, so as you all can see by the title, I'm going to be bringing you all another hair installation and wig review, but this one is going to be a little bit different because this time around I'm not going to be showing you guys the typical synthetic wigs from Amazon. This time this video is sponsored by LUVME Hair. LUVME Hair reached out to me and were so generous enough to give me a 24-inch new girl. So you already know that I'm super excited because it's been a minute since I've actually incorporated human hair on my page. So what better way to bring it back than a sponsored video? So let's move on to the next frame for the hair specs. All right, you guys. So as I said before, this wig is from LUVME Hair, and it is their Afro curly undetectable invisible lace glueless frontal wig. And this wig is 24 inches and the lace front is 13 by 4. Now, as you guys can see right out of the package, it is giving natural. It is actually looking like 4C hair. So for anybody who is a sister and who really wants a hairstyle that is going to mimic their natural hair, then I would definitely suggest getting this wig. It has 2 combs and an adjustable band for you to have it glueless. Now, the gifts that I received with my wig were some press-ons, a scrunchie that I definitely will be using, a phone ring holder, and some lashes. To bleach the knots, I'm going to take my 20 volume developer and I'm going to take my L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder. Now y'all, I'm not going to lie, I low-key messed up on this part. Only because the bleaching mixture should have been a little bit thicker, and later on in the clip you're going to see how loose it was. And thankfully it did not seep through the lace and bleach the hair strands too bad, and I was actually able to get 3 rounds of bleaching done. Now, the reason why I personally bleached it 3 times is because I don't like to over process my hair. So I bleached it 1 time for 10 minutes, second time for another 10 minutes, and then if it needed a little bit more, then I went in for 15 minutes. So yeah, and the hair did not fall out later on in the video when you actually see me styling it and whatnot. So this hair is definitely high quality. Now, when y'all dealing with these wigs, you need to make sure you're plucking it, babes. Even if you're doing it just a little bit, you have to pluck it so it can give realness. So for my plucking phase, I went ahead and just went in with my blow dryer and dried the front of the lace. And this is just going to make plucking it so much easier because when you're trying to pluck wet hair, you're not going to realize how much you're taking out. So when blow drying this wig, I did not focus on drying the entire frontal, just the roots. That's all you need to be dry, really, because then I took my hot comb in there just to slick everything back so I can see what I was working with and see what needed to be plucked. Once it was hot comb, I went in with my tweezers and just started plucking in sporadic areas. When you're plucking, you do not want to stay in one area because that's how it leads to balding. And you don't want to pluck too much because over time, your wigs will shed on their own. So I just plucked where I thought it was necessary and just to uneven the hairline. Now that we're done with plucking, I'm just going to apply the wig and just see what it's looking like on my head. And I'm going to line it up with my ears so we can get on with the installation. So as I do with every wig, I went in with a dense foundation brush and just pressed a lot of my foundation color into the lace. So while you guys are watching me cut my ear tabs off and just further customize the wig to fit my head, I do want to address my cap. Now, it is a little bit too dark, and I thought I could make it pass if I just kept going along with the video, but towards the end, I realized that it was not doing the wig justice. I really wanted to show the wig in its authenticity and really show you guys how undetectable the lace is when you apply it and you apply it correctly. To secure my wig, I'm going to use Got To Be gel just to hold it down a little bit more because, baby, I don't like to just throw my wigs on and go. It needs to be secured because just in case I get on a roller coaster or my hair is going to be blowing in the wind, baby, I do not want it to go off with the wind. Once the wig is placed where I need it to be, I'm going to put the elastic band on the hairline of it. And this is just, you know, set it into place. So once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic band again. And then I'm going to take one of my eyebrow razors and just start removing the lace as closely to the hairline as I possibly can without disturbing any of the hairs. So as you can see, while I'm removing the ear tabs on the wig, that cap is peeking through the lace, and it's more than likely peeking through because the lace is so thin, which is a good thing. You want the lace to look thin or be thin so that way it melts, but the wig cap is doing a disservice to the wig. And like I said, further in the video, you're going to see the wig in its full glory without the cap. Now I'm just going to keep removing the lace until it is all done. And then I'm going to use my comb to start sectioning out my baby hairs. And this time, y'all, I'm not doing the forehead baby hairs, so be proud of me. But anyways, I'm going to do my baby hairs, section them off, and then I'm going to put the elastic band back on just to melt it down even more. My body's calling you. I'm having so much fun with you. Now to style the wig, I decided to do 2 braids in the front. I know, cute. So to get started on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and just start sectioning off a small thin piece of hair just to cover up the tracks. And then I'm going to section off the rest of the hair just to get it out of the way and I don't pull any other hair into the braiding style. To braid my hair down, I'm just gonna mist my hair with some water and use my Thank God It's Natural Honey Curls Custard just to give it a little slippage. And I'm just gonna start braiding. Now that I'm done braiding the hair, it is time to finish off the look. So I'm just gonna remove the elastic band to expose the lace. And y'all, look at the front of the lace. It looks so natural. It looks so good. I'm just so upset about the size. But anyways, I'm just gonna take my baby hairs and just start shaving those with the razor. And then once they're cut to my desired length, I'm going to take my small flat iron and just start curling the baby hairs because y'all know you got to do it the Eric and Tay style. And this is my first time trying it. And let me just tell you, baby, if you're not already curling your baby hairs and your installs, you need to go ahead and start doing it now. And now it's time to lay the mugs and just look at the swoop. Look at the swoop swoop. Yes, baby, yes. I'm loving it. Now that I'm done perfecting my baby hairs, I'm going to go in with some water just to mist it a little bit, add some hydration, and then I'm going to put that custard on it as well, just to make the curls pop a little bit more. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the finished results. Yeah, I know I did that. This looks so freaking good, y'all. I mean, honestly, I didn't expect anything less than this, to be honest. Like, this is a really good quality wig. The lace is really nice. It melts in. As long as you put your foundation powder on the lace, baby, it's gonna melt. It's definitely gonna melt. But let me know what you guys think. This is the final results without the wig cap, because like I said in the previous sections, the wig cap did not do this wig justice, and I wanted to really show you guys like how nice this lace is. It literally looks like it's coming from the scalp. Tell me it's not, because if you do, you're lying. You're lying to yourself and you're lying to me. So with the wig style, I was trying to decide on what I wanted to do. I knew I didn't just want to install it and leave it as that. I wanted to do something different out of the box. And baby, I've never put braids in my wig. So that's why I decided to French braid the front. You know, since this hair mimics natural hair, 4C hair really, really well, I decided to take advantage of that, because this is actually a hairstyle I used to do all the time back when my natural hair was healthy. Here again, if you are somebody who wants to give your natural hair a break but you still want that natural look, a look that you don't have to do a lot to, because literally all you need to do is put water and some mousse on this, then this is definitely the wig for you. I love this hair. This will honestly probably be my go-to wig because it's so minimalistic. Like, you don't need to do anything with it. This hair is from LUVME Hair. Once again, is their Afro curly wig, and it's 24 inches. It is their undetectable invisible lace. Everything that you want to know about the hair will be linked down below. Please let me know what you guys think about this wig. I personally love it. Thank you all once again for tuning into this video. Please make sure you are liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.